This little beauty is a PornStar Martini. Ooh, that's strong. And these are PornStar Martini chicken tenders. Let's make them. So we're going to start off with our chicken tenders. Here they are. And I'll wash these in lemon juice and distilled vinegar. Give them all a good clean. Get rid of all the sinew and things like that. Oh, we can't wash chicken. Yes, Karen, you can. Lemon juice and vinegar, it also starts a tenderising process as well. So we'll start off with them. Next, we've got some oat milk here. I'm just going to put that in the pan. You can use any milk that you like. It doesn't have to be buttermilk. Any milk will do. In there, we're going to add some garlic granules, some smoked paprika, onion powder, and salt and pepper. Now just give that a mix. Once that's all nicely mixed, we get our tenders. I'm just going to drop them in. Once you've mixed it in the milk and it's all submerged, give them a cover. And then we're going to put this in the fridge for about an hour to 2 hours. So for our crispy coating, in here I've got some self-raising flour, some custard powder, salt and pepper, and some cornflour. To that, I want to add some Kashmiri Chilli powder. You can use any chili powder you want. Garlic granules, onion granules, and smoked paprika. Now, just give that a mix together. Let's make the PornStar. Mixer, ice, vanilla vodka, Pessoa, some sugar syrup, juice of a lime, some passion fruit, and some passion fruit juice. Now, give it a shake. Once it's shook, smells gorgeous. Now we're going to put that sieved into a saucepan. Now just add a bit of heat and we're going to reduce that down so it becomes nice and syrupy. So for our tenders, we're going to get them out of the milk into the flour, give them a coat. Back into the milk, back into the flour, give it a coat. You're going to tap off the excess and put them on a plate. Simples. As the sauce starts reducing, add in your butter. Just keep an eye on that, let it get nice and thick. I want my sauce a little bit thicker, so I'll put a cornflour slurry in. Just be careful because that'll thicken up very quickly. Once it's nice and thick, turn off the heat and just put it to one side. Oil's at 165, chop these in. Get off. You're going to have to fry these in batches. Get yourself a wire rack and a tray, linked from the bio by Kitchen Attic. Now, get a bowl, get your tenders in there. And then we're going to put some of this delicious sauce over the top. Quick toss. And it's ready to plate. And there they are. PornStar Martini chicken tenders. My PornStar Martini chicken tenders. Delicious. Recipe down below. Follow on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. Get loads more like this.